From deep inside the Death Star, I'm Chad Beater.
And I'm Andrew Richards.
And welcome to part 2 of the Defrag Tools Trivia Challenge. I guess we're calling it DTTC. I don't know. We just made that up right now. But if you missed last week's episode, go back and check that out because we are picking up mid-game. Let's go and do a quick re-intro of our contestants, starting from the left.
Hi, I'm Raymond Chen. I have a website that I started in 2007. For some reason, has yet to be pulled off the air.
The old new thing.
The website in 2007, you were ahead of the game.
That's like crazy.
I'm Casey Lemson. I work in Windows.
And I'm Larry Osterman, and I also work in Windows.
We've got the Windows trifecta here, which is good because we're asking a lot of Windows questions.
As is the Defrag Tools way.
Let's say hi to our studio audience here. First time ever on Defrag Tools. Say hi, guys.
Hey.
Yay! And take a look at the scores where we left off last week. Let me go over here like Vanna White. Hey, so we've got Raymond with 14 points, Casey with 18, and Larry leading the pack with 20 points. Wow.
Wow.
Overloading that. Do I need to write 0 in front of them all? Yeah, these are decimal. All right, so Andrew, let's start up with the questions again.
Let's do this. So
and don't go too long, guys, because then we'll go to DTTC 3.
Right.
And that would be...
But actually, that might be the one we get it right on. So
yeah, who knows?
So it'd be good.
Version 3 is
That's
usually
the directed
a good
video.
Usual 3 is
Yeah,
when we
right,
get
there
it
you go.
Directive.
And then there's the editor's cut to make it 3.1.
That's right.
All right, so we're in the Windows folder. We're talking about commands in the Windows folder. This is the list question.
Like all game shows start.
So you will be going around one answer each around the round.
Oh, okay.
I think Larry had the first list question last time, so Raymond's up first this time.
Okay.
What are the switches available on the command ipconfig?
Let's see. There's /?.
Correct.
Oh!
Damn.
It's right there.
Oh, you took the easy one. Oh, God.
How many times have you used this in your life?
/S. It's been a long time, honestly. It's worked pretty reliably.
/S?
I don't know. I'm just making it up. It's a letter.
Larry.
Good.
/release.
Oh,
Release.
oh.
Go Raymond.
/renew.
Yeah.
Yes.
Damn. Seriously, guys. Like,
Those are the only two anybody ever uses.
/U.
There's about 8.
There's 8.
There's cheating from the audience.
I think we're hitting my limit. I don't know. The audience is like gesturing. He's turned into charades.
They're trying to give us hints via charades. It's,
Yes.
Is that V?
Is it? Oh,
V.
Is it my turn again?
I have no idea.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
I think
Casey's.
that's
I've been
Larry
just
now.
throwing out letters.
Oh,
and
no,
no one's
Larry just-
responding.
No, we're going
No,
around. Okay, Raymond. Someone
Raymond.
yell
I did
something out.
release, Raymond did renew, and it's now Casey's turn.
Yeah, and I've
Casey's
thrown out
picking-
several letters and no one said anything.
Casey's just picking letters, hoping one
She's
hits.
just picking random
All right, Larry,
letters.
you're up.
All right.
I believe it's /A with an adapter name option, which allows you to list the IP addresses for a particular address.
That's not in the help, so I'm going to say no.
It's not. Then it's not. I know there's one that does that, but I
Anything
use
else?
it like never.
I open up just random yelling it out.
Is there a /4?
No.
No, is there a
close.
Yes.
Yes.
Is there?
To restrict yourself to IPv4?
4 addresses.
Is there a /Teredo?
No.
Teredo. What's
Yeah.
I think we're going to have to call this one.
IPv6,
Did we say
IPv4
there was a
tunnel.
/4? Yes or no?
There is /all that we've probably all
/all.
used and forgotten
Ah.
about. There's release
there
and
you
release
go.
6, renew and renew 6, flash DNS.
Oh, man.
Registered DNS and display DNS not as common. And then the last 4 I've never used in my life. But yeah,
I was
there is a
gonna
fair
say.
I haven't
feature.
used those
All
last
right.
ones, but
It's been a long time since
Flush
I went to
DNS I
my
See,
have.
the
Flush
great
DNS
thing
I
about
use
some
all
of
the
these
time.
other ones is like modifies the IPv6 class ID. I'm like, I don't even know what that means. And why is ID lowercase in that one and uppercase in the other ones?
Because that's what Microsoft
And
does.
some of them end in periods and some of them don't.
The
This just
periods-
makes
the
no
periods
sense.
is very
It's going
annoying.
for a rant.
Oh, God, lower-
Going for a rant.
A rand point. A rand point.
Lowercase DHCP.
I
is
think
totally
Raymond gets
worth
rid
it.
of the rand
that-
point.
Like, that's
that-
just weird.
that's
actually
just
the
messed
period
up.
or no period thing gets me every single time. I'm totally
Well, and
with
then
Raymond
you
on that.
have some of them are renew and some of them are purges. Like it
Release
it's as if a
versus-
different person was asked to write
What's
each
chances?
one, and none of them coordinated,
All right.
which is pretty much how we do.
That
things.
is how we do things.
So, KC, you're up next. You're first.
Uh-oh.
Net.exe,
Oh.
originating from NT-LAN manager days.
Yeah, so just
wow.
net use? Is that
Yep.
what so
Wait.
net use then?
Net use, yep.
Oh, net use. Okay, yeah.
Let's start.
Casey, you got one?
Yep.
Net stop.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, you guys keep doing
I
that.
always take the easy ones that Larry tees up for me.
Oh, okay. There we go.
Is
Net
net
stop.
message?
Yes.
Is that wins?
Not anymore.
Message.
Net
Well,
message is no
It may
longer
not get
there, but
through.
it was.
It was there.
Okay, so
Net message
We're
was
gonna
there.
give
It
it
was
to you.
I was going to say I should
removed
give
in
double
like
points
It
if it's
used to
that
exist.
old.
It used to be net send as well.
Oh,
I
net
think.
send.
Oh,
You're right.
net
That's what it
send.
was.
It doesn't exist
No, I
anymore,
was
but
wrong.
I'll give you
It
the point
was-
anyway. Good enough.
All right. All right.
Net
You win.
user.
Net user, correct.
Oh, net user.
Net.
Net help message.
Yes.
Yes.
Well
A
done.
very useful one.
Okay, we're just going to use that every time from now on. But
The one you said before, KC.
wait, I said send or
No,
message,
no, no.
but
The last command.
you?
It's on the screen right now.
Oh, question mark.
Net config.
Correct.
Ooh,
Net view.
Correct.
Yes.
true. Yes. Net
I'm now
view.
pissed because that was my baby.
How about, wait, I'm going to take another
Seriously,
question.
I owned the NetView command, or at least the
Net
service
meeting?
underneath it for years.
Net meeting?
Now we're up
Net
to
meeting. That's a different product.
I think that's something, yeah.
Any more? Something to do with
net print.
Oh.
Yes,
Was that one?
that
I
was
was
a
going to
thing.
say, what
Okay.
could
It's
you do
not-
in the
it's not there
early
anymore, but it
90s?
was a thing.
Net print queue.
Net local group.
Oh, gee.
Yep.
Yeah.
Like a
Ooh.
great
Local group.
Raymond.
Net
you-
join?
Net time.
Net join.
net
Was that
time.
one?
Net time and
Yep.
net join.
Join.
And we've now gone completely off the
I was
rails as
like-
far as
Wow.
ordering, but
Yeah.
Does he get another one? Did I miss
All right,
one?
we all done? You've had enough?
Wow, that evened up the scores quite a bit.
All right, there's a couple few more. There's continue, net share you missed.
Ah,
To show the
net
share.
how did this net share?
I don't know if someone said net file to show the files that are open on your box.
Yep.
I use
How
that.
about
The
that?
terrifying thing is I use a ton of these regularly.
Yeah. And net continue, I don't know if I said that. And
Like
statistics.
help message?
I don't know. what-
Help messages like almost every day.
Yeah.
I don't even
But
know.
no, net files, net share, I use those surprisingly often.
Yeah. All right, you ready? List the hives displayed in registry editor. So I think we're up to Larry to go first here.
Oh, great.
So is it me?
The ones that when
Are we
you
just
open.
doing
Again, we're going to
Yeah,
get
round
the two
robin.
easy ones.
I'll leave you one, okay?
So when you open regedit as a standard user, what are the hives that you see?
You see software.
Yep.
Is that a hive or is
Whoa.
it?
Well,
It's
what
not
we're
a
talking
hive,
about,
it's what
HK
they show.
underscore.
Yeah.
It's not a hive, but it's
node?
shown up as
Well,
software shows up at the
let me
top.
clarify. I want the name on the screen.
Classes.
Of the
then.
top level.
Oh, you want?
Oh, the root node.
you want the root nodes.
It's totally different than hives.
Yeah,
I mean, stop.
Andrew, you're a loser.
Man.
Rud. The worst thing is I can tell you what they are, but I'm not sure I know what the
HKey
string.
blah.
What?
HKey blah.
Oh, wait, there's H keys?
Yeah,
Oh,
HKey
okay.
underscore.
That's what he's
something.
looking for.
You want HKey underscore local underscore machine.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Raymond.
HKey users.
Ah,
I
thank
believe
you.
Yes.
that is true.
HK
yeah.
current user. See, he
Yes.
left
I
one.
left you one.
That was very nice.
See.
Appreciate that.
What else is there?
HKey classes root.
Correct.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
One more.
I would-
Performance data.
It doesn't show.
It doesn't
I was
show.
going to say.
It's in a
There, but it
subkey.
doesn't show.
The other top level one.
It's like
One
the
more?
secret one.
The TLD.
The last one's quite hard. You want to give up? HKey current config is the last one.
Oh yeah.
Who looks at that?
And
Oh,
I would-
yeah.
I was going to say, if I didn't have
There's not
HKey
much
classes
to do.
root, by the way, they would like revoke my job because I run the com team.
Yeah.
And
that's-
HKey classes root is where the com catalogs live. So
That's your thing.
my team
to
would
have
like I don't know, rain scorn down on me if I was to miss that one.
All right, you ready?
You'll have to find some other
Advert
reason.
campaigns.
Ad
What?
campaign.
Oh boy.
Oh
Here we go.
boy.
Are you ready? What version of Windows used Madonna's Ray of Light?
That was Windows XP.
Correct.
Nice.
And we had to scrap it.
Do we?
Why do we scrap
The
it?
original ad campaign involved people jumping in the air and flying.
Yes.
And then September 11th, 2001 happened. And then all flying metaphors had to be cut.
Yes.
All right, you ready? This one's going to be a fast one. Ready? What band features in the Windows 95?
Who got it first? I think
That was
Casey did.
Rolling Stones. Start
And
me
a
up.
bonus point for the song name.
She said, "Start me up."
All right.
25.
As requested, codename round.
Codename round.
Did I? No, I didn't. There's only two.
What? This is an audience question.
Audience
Ooh.
question from Graham McIntyre.
Oh, yes.
Does that mean the audience gets a point?
Audience question from
Yes.
Defrag Tools
The
alum.
Windows 95
It is.
CD came with a music video.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
From a
It came.
band.
It came with a few.
It was
It
Edie,
came with a few.
Edie
Let's-
Brickell.
Edie
Let's name
Brickell.
them.
And,
Let's do it.
And then
Good times.
Good times.
Yeah.
Yes, I
And then
played
there
that.
was Weezer playing one of the songs that was like a
Sweater?
retro Happy Days.
Do you know
It
the
was,
name of the
correct.
song?
Yes.
Oh, was it Buddy Holly?
Yes.
I
Grove
listened to
says
those
yes,
things
it was
or
Buddy
watched
Holly.
them.
Yep.
And then, of course, we also had Monica and Chandler teaching people
That's right.
how to use their PCs.
That
I
wasn't
remember-
on
it
the
wasn't
disc.
on the CD, but like
That was a
Associated with it.
VHS
It's a
video that you
special
could like
extra.
buy or like
Yes.
rent from your local blockbuster.
in case you needed it, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Well,
Yes.
your blockbuster.
It had,
I heard that there was a significant volume of product support calls from people who wanted to know who was the performer on the Good Times video.
Really? They
These are
liked
peop-
it that much.
They liked it that much. They wanted to know what the song was and who the performer was. And we told them just right-click, hit properties. All the artist information is right there.
Nice.
But I guess people hadn't quite figured that out.
I was
Yeah.
going to say, why didn't we do ID3 in the acronym section? But yeah.
Why did we put those things on the discs?
Because there was space.
That's part of it. But a
There
lot
were
of it
weird
is also.
Bill Plimpton videos. It was to show off the new multimedia
Thank you.
features.
Oh, multimedia. Do
It
we
was
know
exactly
anyone worked on
because it was because when you build this large, complicated, crazy multimedia subsystem, you got to put some content in there to show it off so people know that
Makes sense.
Windows can play videos. So
People weren't
That's right.
downloading it.
Because
we put
the-
videos on the disc.
Because clock.avi just wasn't really showing it off
Yeah,
well.
that
Yeah.
Not so much.
Clock
It's also
AVI.
why there's all those MIDI files in the System32
That's right.
directory.
Canyon.mid, baby.
Canyon.mid.
I think it still maybe exists in the
It
product.
may
Maybe.
haven't
still
even
be
looked. That's
there.
a good one.
No,
Yes.
I think One Stop showed up and like took over.
It could
Oh,
be.
could be.
I don't know. Somebody will have to go.
Maybe it's
look
trying to
for
do
me.
it sometimes.
I tracked down the person who actually checked in One Stop to ask why did you check in One Stop. I think Aaron Margosa says that the One Stop MIDI file is a security hole because if you can trigger it to be played on somebody's machine, you will drive them crazy.
Psychological warfare.
The check-in comment for checking in One Stop was replace old bad MIDI files. So however bad you think One Stop was, the other ones were even worse.
I will say, if you play them on a good enough synthesizer, they sound okay. The problem is everybody had these like Sound Blaster
Oh
cards
my. Yeah.
Oh
with,
my.
with two
I was
op
gonna say.
FM synthesis. This is my synth nerd thing.
Yeah.
And it wasn't good. It wasn't good.
All right. Before we start the codename round, do we want to do a score check?
Score check. We have a very close match here. Raymond 26, tied with KC at 26, and Larry just a point ahead.
And the audience
A lead's
is
a
on,
lead.
Out
I'll
of
take it
leads.
regardless.
He has a
and when
point
the audience
so
is on 4,
Now
right?
is the
And the
part of the
audience
game where
may
we
have a
cheat.
couple points too. We'll put them down here.
It's okay. This is the part where I'm going to start losing it.
Audience.
All right, you ready?
Audience has about 4 points.
Code names.
At least.
At least.
All right, code names. This is all Windows client versions. We just want the name of the Windows edition. that
We're
they-
back to toss-ups.
Yep.
Wait.
Whistler.
Oh,
the slide,
crud.
dude.
Raymond.
That was Windows XP.
Correct.
Correct.
This is very annoying.
Threshold.
Oh, I think Casey got
Windows 10.
Yep.
Windows
Which-
10.
RTM
first-
specifically, yeah.
First Windows.
First
Oh,
Windows
yes,
10.
First. Ooh, we have a three-way tie now. Ooh. It's getting close.
Snowball.
Ooh, I didn't see.
Raymond.
I thought it was
Raymond.
Raymond.
Yeah, I think it's Raymond.
I heard it.
think so.
That was Windows for Workgroups 3.11.
I was going to say.
Yes,
that was,
Correct.
Wow.
Yeah.
I
And I'm
didn't
glad
know
you got
that.
the 1-1 because 310 was a different
Because
a
we
different
did
code name.
also have a hardware product codenamed Snowball that had something to do with IR. I think it was an
It was
IR
the
receiver.
IR Blaster for the Windows XP Media Center
IR
edition.
Blaster, yeah. I couldn't remember if it was the blaster or the receiver.
The nickname we had in the product team for Windows for Workgroups was Windows for Warehouses because it wasn't selling well.
Oh.
Yep.
All
Snowball's
right.
changing
I used
now.
Windows for Workgroups throughout my whole uni career. That was my desktop.
It came with an Intel Ether Express card and a screwdriver.
All right, you ready? Blue. Oh, that was
I
close.
think that was Larry.
I'm going to say Larry.
Yeah.
Okay. Windows 8.1.
Correct.
Yes. I had a T-shirt.
And
I may have worn it on an
Chicago.
early Defrag
Wait,
Tools.
okay.
Oh!
See, okay, hold on. This wasn't fair.
Yeah, I was gonna
because Chad was
I
sitting there
was still
talking about his
talking.
awesome T-shirt,
I was-
and so these guys were distracted
were
by Chad and
reading.
didn't get a chance to notice
Oh,
that
man.
Andrew had done Chicago, which of course was Windows 95.
Windows 95.
We'll give everybody a point.
We'll give
was gonna
everybody.
say.
I think
That
everybody
really wasn't
knew
fair
that
because all of
one.
us would have chimed in on that one.
I'm from
Everybody
Chicago, so
probably knew
I did not know that.
They're also a
that.
band that we didn't use.
There's-
Also a band
okay.
we did not
That
use,
we didn't
but,
put their song on the
but
disc.
we did. But Chicago, and I believe this was why it was codenamed Chicago. Chicago was the company meeting entertainment band at Key Arena
Really?
in 1994 or 93 for the Microsoft company meeting. We brought Chicago in to play as the entertainment for the company meeting.
Pretty big name.
This was
band.
back when company meetings were cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't even have them anymore.
I was gonna say.
Nope.
You know, going back to the codename of Blue for Windows 8.1, the funny thing is that one of the little bonuses that the product team gets when they ship a product is a little sticker that goes on a little plaque, a little Ship It award. And the sticker for Windows Blue was yellow in color.
My favorite of those is the threshold one for, it might have like a.
It might have a
Well,
Might
it
have
might
a-
have a ninja,
a
ninja
steed,
cat on the
you might
threshold
say.
one.
Might have a Ninja
Sold
Cat
it.
on it.
All right.
All right.
All right. Now we're diving into the archives.
Archives. We
Right.
have our
The old
archivist
stuff
in the
versus
house.
the-
Amy and I toured the archives and found some old crap stuff. stuff to,
Valuable relics of a prior era.
Microsoft memory.
and so this is from the archives. All right. What was the first Microsoft patent or patent, whichever way you say it?
Oh
in
my
America?
gosh.
Wow.
Now I have a clue.
I'm gonna have a random
Ooh.
guess.
Oh, I'm sorry. That would be the pop-up ad.
Oh!
The,
Are you?
Pop-up.
I'm like, it just says a lot about Raymond that we're like, well, okay, if
Okay,
Raymond says it,
sure.
it must be true. Like-
I'm with him.
Who am
All right,
I
want a
to
hint?
say? Yeah. Hint. Is there a
it's
hint?
to do. It was used with these developer tools that were went on Xenix.
Wow.
The Lucite block?
Xenix developer
it's
tools?
the Blivet. Did we patent the Blivet?
You don't
Trademark the
You can
Blivet.
trademark it.
Blivet.
I'm sure we trademarked
sorry.
it. Lucite?
It's Lucite? No. Oh.
It's close though.
Okay.
The patent is for the packaging.
Are you serious?
Oh my God. Oh, actually, honestly, I can totally
That's
believe
really
it because
funny.
those packages were pretty damn cool.
The
They
whole
were.
point.
They're this clamshell opening thing.
Yep, and then
And
the
it
whole
was-
point was that when it opened, it held the manual for you.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Yeah.
That is very cool.
All right.
We
The
don't
next
do
one.
cool packaging anymore because we don't sell.
The next one is a list question again. We'll go around the table. I forgot who we're up to.
I think
Who-
Casey
I'll
starts.
go
Casey
first this
starts.
time.
Casey.
Give me the easy one once.
All right. To be clear, I'm going to be clear about this. What are the developer products? So I have my own personal box that we're going to.
A 14th of a tree
Show us
right
the
there.
front of it. I
Well-
don't believe that that's. Oh.
Wow.
But they're printed on the front.
They are, and I have, and I got rid of it in the picture.
Okay. Okay.
So
Oh, so this has been
This
this
is
has
one
been
of those
photoshopped.
been
there's
photoshopped.
I
yeah.
photoshopped
Wait.
their names off.
I
Hold
mean,
on.
I
If
was
he's
gonna say, if-
photoshopped it, why can we trust the contents if he's photoshopped
Because
it?
I have a
got the real
box.
Yeah.
Still in the
box.
shrink wrap.
I'm gonna go start with, naming wise, the Visual Studio IDE. It's gotta be.
No, just that's the languages and stuff.
The suite, the products
like
in it.
what, like TFS and VSTS? Is that like the not
Look
that?
at that
Studio
number.
6.
I think this
Oh,
predates
6.
that.
Sorry.
6.
All right.
We're at like
19.
17.
I'll start with VB.
97 or something.
The
90.
telephone hasn't been invented.
It was
VB,
VB6,
Visual
right?
Basic.
VB
Visual
was-
Basic 6, this was the last edition of Visual Studio. Where you could
Okay.
get VB6.
VB.
Go, Larry.
Oh, sorry.
C++.
C++, correct?
Front page.
No, that was
Oh,
not
it's too late.
included.
Too early?
It was not included in this package.
Okay.
Wow.
The front page was a separate product.
We thought we could get money
5
for it.
pages.
I was gonna
A
say
separate
like
product.
Oh,
No, this,
front page was a separate.
Fortran. No, like Fox.
Oh, Fox Pro?
Fox
No.
Pro. I don't know.
Correct.
Like what was?
Wait,
Fox
Fox
Pro,
Pro
correct?
was in there?
was
Is
in
it
there?
seriously in there?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
I had no idea Fox Pro was in
That's
there.
almost worth 2 points for this.
Yeah, you know, I think it was. Yeah.
there's 3 more.
I was gonna say just is F.
2 more languages and 1 more product that
Okay.
helps you.
VC6 would not have had C# in it
No, that was
because it was predate.
wait.
That would have been VC.
that was .NET.
.NET,
Visual Studio
yeah.
.NET, which
It's
is
like
Windows
their-
Which is the next
2000.
release.
or
This release was predominant for 3 or 4
Are you
years.
gonna?
while
Well, hold
.NET came
on.
out.
I said C++. C.
No, it's C++, C++.
Okay, I wasn't sure if they call those out separately.
There was a language at the time that was vying for C++'s dominance.
Java?
Java?
So it was
Do we have,
called.
do we have
Oh,
MASM?
Do we
yes.
have what?
What was it called?
Was
Was
MASM in there?
in there?
Well, this is on the front of the box I'm talking about. We don't
Yeah.
say MASM on the front of any
No,
box.
hold on.
Microsoft Assembler
No, it's
was
I'm talking
CodeView.
about the main ones that it
CodeView.
It was.
wasn't called Java. It was called.
J#.
Oh, close.
No.
Close.
Like,
J# is because
.NET?
It's
J#
4
was
plus
J-
lines.
was-
oh, it's
was
Java.net or
Java.
something.
No, it wasn't Java.net. That was
We have an
Audience member, go for it.
It was J++.
J++.
Oh, just
plus.
Total. I mean,
Audience gets a point.
you know.
And C# is named C# because it's 4 plus signs put together.
Right.
That's how I
It's
got
like
from the
J
plus to-
hashtag.
It's C++++.
hashtag, it's
All right, so
the
there's a web one left, and then there's something to help
same.
you.
Web one. They had that back
Oh.
And it
Yeah, there
wasn't
was a-
front page.
then? I was
No,
gonna
front
say.
page
Wasn't
was.
front page.
Well, I mean, it would have ASP. We had IIS and ASP. Could have been
I think about
something there. Like,
Visual Interdev
oh,
Oh, right. I forgot about that one.
and Visual Source Safe.
oh,
Source it.
VSS.
It was VSS. I was
Oh,
going to
wait,
say
I used-
VSS, but I
yes.
couldn't remember what the bloody product name
Yeah,
was.
we used to do
Visual
that. I remember.
Source.
I'm just glad it wasn't info.
Yeah. Visual Source
Man.
Safe. The-
All right. So this is the
Info pack.
Enterprise
I
Edition.
can't believe I got Fox Pro.
This is the
I'm
Enterprise
very impressed.
Edition.
That was really.
That was
Where-
a big.
It's been a long time.
We wanted to call everything Office, so the server tools were called Back Office. What were the Back Office tools?
Oh,
Okay, that one's way
Gosh.
easier.
Is it?
For Casey and I, this should be pretty easy
Go.
because we're
It's
both.
still that version.
Casey, you're
Like,
up.
Oh, Snap?
Snap. I have no what Snap is.
Well, Snap. Oh,
You know,
don't know.
duh, it's Snap.
Wait, you don't know SNAD? How can you not know? SNA server.
Oh, SNA
That's what
server,
she's
yes.
saying.
Oh,
You said Snap though, right?
no, I said Snap.
SNA server.
SNA
SNA
server.
server, correct.
SNA
I
server.
promise I
She
meant
totally went to SNA server. That's exactly what she's talking about. Exchange.
Yeah,
Yep.
yes.
I don't even know what SNA server
I-
stands for.
I don't even know
Oh,
what it is.
systems network architecture.
Yeah, that tells me nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Host integration server.
Also tells me nothing.
Right?
It wasn't inside this box.
Oh, man.
Actually, with a host integration server was another version of SNA server, which was the way you talk to the IBM
Yeah, so
mainframe.
this is
BizTalk.
where IIS comes in.
Biz
See, if you
Talk?
have your eight.
IIS.
No, there's no IIS.
I-
This
No,
is
there's no
called-
IIS.
This is
Well,
this is
Raymond still hasn't given
pre-IIS.
an answer.
Pre-IIS?
There was no pre-IIS. There was nothing.
Yes, there was.
It was like
It's
the
in
big
this
bang.
box.
Before IIS
Before
was
IIS.
void. Then there was
Right,
Java.
there's a big one that you're forgetting that's still
Oh,
dominant.
I'm
No, SharePoint,
intentionally not
sure.
doing it because
Oh,
we're going
way too-
around.
All right, Raymond,
Oh,
Raymond,
it's
you
a
got
big
one?
It's a big one.
It's a big one.
What's the big one?
You're missing
Wait,
the-
seriously?
So far, we've had
I can't believe you guys
SNA
are drawing a blank on the
server,
big
Seriously,
one.
what is it?
SQL Server.
Oh.
SQL Server, yeah.
SQL server.
It's
Sorry, I'm trying here, trying to
It's-
keep with the order.
All right.
Oh, we lost track of that a
The
long
last
time.
two are a bit more esoteric. The last two are proxy server
Proxy
and
server.
site server. And
Oh, wow.
I once
And
had
you
an
also get NT4.
MCP
The
certification.
NT4
in
option
proxy
pack is
server.
what gave you transaction, distributed transaction coordinator. What Microsoft software product had the biggest box?
Wait. Is this like a joke because we have printed out boxes for?
No, I'm
you
talking
know-
about real
Like
physical
real
box.
Just
physical
making sure.
box.
Just go on.
That would
Raymond.
be Visual C++ 7.0.
I don't have a 7.0, but I'll give you it's C++.
I was going to say,
It
yeah,
is.
as
Yeah.
boxes
Yeah,
go.
That's
It's
about
that
that
Mondo
guy.
box with all the
Manuals.
documentation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you
But
have
you are
one
right,
on your
KC. There
shelf?
has been other boxes that were huge. The laser discs in these boxes are great.
The laser disc.
Laser
I was going to
disc.
say the Activates Barney
That's a
box was pretty
defrag
big.
tool.
That was
Yeah,
inside
Activates
joke
Barney box
Yeah.
was very big.
All right.
All right, next question.
When was Microsoft Flight Simulator released?
First?
Oh,
or
okay,
ever?
Larry.
I think
it's
who
Larry.
does
I
it?
know
I
the
think
last
Larry.
We'll give it
I
to
think it was
Larry.
Raymond. No?
Audience, what was it?
Larry. Okay.
1983, just before I started.
No.
No?
No.
You're
That was
close,
what I was
though.
gonna say.
Then it would have been 84 because it was out when I started at Microsoft.
No.
No?
Or was that SimLogic's flight simulator?
Well, we licensed it.
Sublogic.
Or SubLogic?
Sublogic, but we
Sublogic.
licensed it.
Based on the copyright, on the documentation and everything else, 1982.
82. Oh.
Go the other direction.
Very early.
I was, okay.
All
You
right.
just had an off by one.
Was
error.
that a DOS version?
It was.
It was.
It was.
Would have had to be.
But
I
as I
was
said, it
gonna
was
say, yeah.
Sublogic's, and we licensed it, and I will totally accept 82. That was.
Yep.
I just
think
knew it was
there-
there when I started.
That's what the copyright
so-
says.
I do believe there was an Apple II version before.
There,
that.
I think there was.
That is
All right. So
Because the game looked nothing like that.
Well, yeah.
Of course, it looked nothing.
Oh, we have a
Uh-oh.
video question.
So we have
Video.
Paula in the studio. Paula is a InfoSec investigator, and she has recorded a question for us.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're
And
doomed.
you
We
ready?
are totally
It's
doomed.
not that hard.
Hi, this is Paula Januszkiewicz from Secure, and I've got a question to you. In what version of Windows Microsoft Solitaire was first released in, and there are bonus points for the year?
I'm afraid now because I was going to say, did we have it in 3.1? I was going to say 95 because I thought it was point and click. It must have been
No.
3.1.
No,
So
it
it was
was
3.1,
3.1,
and that would have been what, like 91? I don't know.
No, but you're
No,
close.
no.
Judge says no,
92?
but close.
Another person?
I asked the off by one guy. You know.
I'm pretty sure it was 92, actually, that 3.1 came out.
No, it's not the right edition of Windows.
Oh,
I
there's
was going to
3.0.
say first. It was
Then
like
it's 3.0, which would have
been-
But no one used it until 3.1.
That's
Nobody
true.
bought it
3.1
until 3.1.
3.1 was unbelievable. 3.0 was fine, but 3.1 was unbelievable. It had a run rate of 10 million units a month or something like that. It was insane. With for a
Windows-
software product
So-
at that point, 10 million units a month is insane.
So then the year on that would be what, 89?
No.
88?
No,
90.
for Windows
For
3.0?
3.0?
91,
90.
I think.
90.
90.
Yeah.
90,
90.
yeah.
Windows 3.0 was
Right.
19.
Do you remember what the game was before Solitaire?
Oh,
I don't know
yes.
if that's
What?
the question.
Oh,
Yes,
Uh,
that
is
is
that
a
another
bonus
version?
question.
We can ask that question.
Oh,
I don't know
I
what the
brought
answer
that
is.
up last week. I know the answer.
I know the answer too.
Oh, man. Do we, well, I guess
I know the answer. I'm sure Raymond knows the answer because he asked the question.
you brought
was
it up.
reversed.
Yeah, because it was reversed.
Reversey.
It was
Which was Othello, but we obviously couldn't use the name Othello.
Because it was
And-
probably like Milton Bradley's
All right.
trademark. or something.
Exactly.
Done,
And
reverse it.
very first app ever running on Windows NT.
Oh.
And
But you can,
at the-
right.
At the time, GDI did not support circles and curves.
Wow.
So it was square, black and white rectangles because they could only draw rectangles on the screen for GDI and user.
Do you have any like old stories about like gorillas.base or any of the other? To say like
No.
Okay.
do
No,
remember
I don't.
Gorilla.
Kind of fun.
I
That's
do
one of my
remember
favorites.
Gorilla.
About
And
Donkey.
Who wrote Gorilla.bas? Was it Bill? Or?
Was it Donkey?
did Bill
No, there were
write
two
Gorilla?
games.
There was
Gorilla is the banana game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Donkey
Yeah.
is a drive down the road. Don't hit the
Don't hit
donkey.
the
I
donkey.
remembered the donkey.
Donkey, he showed off at a company meeting one time. So I remember that one. And he's like, I wrote this old game. And
And still
Gorilla,
runs.
did he write Gorilla? I don't
Oh,
know.
I think that was one of the.
It was
lore. I
in
don't know if
DOS,
it's real.
though. It was in
Yeah.
DOS
It was-
6 or something.
yeah.
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 GW Basic.
Yeah.
Gates William Basic. All right.
Gates William Basic?
What?
I always thought it was Gee Whiz Basic. The official story
That's
is that
what
it's Gee
you
Whiz
were
Basic.
told.
What is in box ASF01635?
This is
Whoa.
very specific.
So it's remarkably specific.
If you
and-
know, we went down a random corridor on a random area and put
Just
a random
pulled
box.
something?
Wow.
All right.
That's
Okay.
a hard
I was going to say,
There is a hint.
There's a hint.
It was the second edition of our
Asheron's
first
Call?
MMORPG.
was it
AC2?
Asheron's Call 2?
Use your buzzers.
Oh, Asheron's Call 2.
Correct, Mundo.
Oh, right.
Cool.
And scarily, I just went into my cupboard at home.
I'm not the only one who. I played that game religiously
You
until
know
they
what's scary
shut it
about
down.
this? I never opened it.
Still in the stream. I was going to say.
I bought it and never played it.
Does
I
it have the
paid
company
Turbine my
store
$10
sticker
a
on
month.
It comes with 1 year of Microsoft Play Game
I was
Zone.
going to the zone,
The
right?
game
yeah.
zone.
Yeah.
But it does
That's right.
expire in 2000.
Well, they shut the servers down about 4 years ago. So,
all right.
but I played it literally up to the day they turned the servers off.
Wow, hardcore
Seriously.
fan.
All right. So
I love that game. It's awesome.
I might get Chad to help me here.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I got to come over there.
We are going to unbox
Unbox?
Unbox.
We're doing a live unboxing?
a
cool.
rinky-dink.
I have one of those in my office.
Oh, it was
still in the
shrink
shrink
wrapped.
wrap.
All right. A rinky-dink Windows NT 3.1 Advanced Server Box. Just was 25 years, 30 years. 1993.
Sure.
Yeah,
Wait,
I can do
NT3. Wait.
roughly 25 years old.
Sure.
Yep.
We're going to unbox it, and you're going to guess how many of each media type are in the box.
So wait, you said 93?
As I said, the terrifying thing is that I have one of those boxes in my office, but I've never actually opened it.
Okay.
So
all
bring
right,
that one by
let's-
one.
Let's pull this out.
All right, the first question is how many 3.5-inch discs. And we'll give you a clue. It takes up a little bit of space.
I was gonna say
are we gonna like Price is
35.
Right style
So
here?
what we're going to do
Yeah,
is
like who?
if
Closest without going over.
you
Closest without going over?
Ooh, I like
if you're
that.
on the, you can choose. You can guess the same number each. If you're on the money, 10 points.
Ooh.
Closest gets 5 points.
Okay.
All right, positive or negative. And if it's a draw, then it's 5 points each.
All right.
All right.
All right.
So Larry, you got a number?
34.
34.
So are we going to do that without going over?
Do you want to go? No, we can. Do
I was going to say, because I chose
closest.
1.
Closest.
I'll say 1.
One?
Yeah.
3.5
Well, without
inches?
going over, if we're going to do this
No, you
without
can
going
go-
over.
No,
This
we're
was
just
back
doing
when we
closest.
shipped
Just
can
them.
go
closest,
over-
so
you
you
can
can
go
go
over.
over.
Okay, never
Going
mind.
over is free.
I would guess 28.
28.
I'll go 20.
20, 28,
Because
34.
operating systems were small back then.
Yeah, right.
So
I mean,
All
we're
right.
perfect.
So
for
one and a half
I'm pulling out.
so
I'm pulling out shrink wrapped
1.44
floppies.
meg on each of those things.
There's
so
a meg goes a long way.
5 here. What is this? NT. Yeah, 5 there. There's 5 there. Another 5. 4. And 5.
so
24.
24.
Oh, nicely done.
So what was the guesses?
20.
28.
You had 28.
Yeah, I had 28.
split
You
it.
had 20. Oh, we split.
Oh, you split. So yeah,
Oh.
Raymond and
And I was
Casey get
way
5
off.
5
points each.
points
Excellent.
each.
High five.
It
All
might have
right.
You were close
We
to
beat Larry.
I was
Yeah,
actually
I would have guessed
Windows
higher
95.
for office.
42.
Yeah.
Yeah, Windows 95 I think was in the mid 30s, and I may have just whatever.
All right.
Just like all of us, we're in our mid 30s.
Speak for yourself.
Permanently.
Yes.
Larry joined Microsoft when he was 1. How many 5.25-inch discs?
Oh, I love that we had both.
Oh.
We gave you both.
Oh, boy.
And bonus points
Four.
is why we
Well,
had both.
If somebody can do math
I was gonna
quickly,
say, I
we now
can't do
know
that in my head.
because
You can do the- you can do
3.5s
the-
are
the capacity
1.44
conversion.
meg, and 5.5s are 1.2. So I don't know. I can't do math in my head.
I was going to say, we're nerds. We can't do math.
Guess
Yeah.
a number.
I only have 2 degrees in math. This is useless to me.
Just guess a number.
30.
35.
28.
30, 35, 28. The answer is
2.
2.
Because it's recovery media.
And it's enough to get your 3.5-inch driver going.
Right.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's like the class
Because a
driver
lot
for
of
your, oh
systems
my
back then
gosh.
had the A drive was 5.25,
Yep.
which would be your boot drive.
Then you load the storage drivers for the floppy and then transfer it across to the floppy and continued on.
Trick question.
This is disk 1
was
setup
very well done.
disk.
All right,
for
so
floppy
Larry was the
installation.
closest with 28. So
All right, Larry. 5 points
That's
for Larry.
Yeah, I
There
don't
you go.
deserve that.
That works.
all right.
I like
Some
that.
of our younger viewers may not even have
I was
seen
going
a
to say there's 2
5.25 inch
kinds of
floppy
discs,
before.
let alone
Well, we
any.
did look through the archives for some 8 inches, but we didn't really find anything we wanted.
Wait, well, I know that
We
the
must have.
ICEs are still there, and I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure we don't have the floppies for them? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, nothing.
Oh, okay, thank you. I feel much better because I know that when I toured the archives with you, we found the in-circuit emulators for the 8088, and those things had 8-inch floppies. So
But did they
All
have
right.
digital audio?
How many CD-ROM
sort of
discs?
technically, if you count the step-in motors on the floppy drives.
It must have had one CD.
How
Wait, what
how
year?
Many,
93?
how many CD-ROMs?
93.
How many
93?
CDs?
Two.
Yeah, one CD.
Did we even bother?
I'm
Yes.
not sure what year.
It's 0 or 1.
It's 94, and we would have, and it's 2. I
In
believe.
hex or binary?
I say a half
Half.
because
Okay.
it is closest.
Okay.
So, all right,
He does have math degrees. We have
Yeah, he does. He has two
Two.
math degrees.
2 math degrees.
so we've got half. We've got
I said one.
I say
One.
2.
And
There you
2.
go.
The correct answer is 1.
one.
1. Okay.
So 10 points for KC. That jumps her in the lead.
Just call me Gryffindor.
All
I
right.
guess all of this was the same as these floppies, essentially.
Easily.
Yes.
Easily.
Yeah.
Plus, maybe some videos like Buddy Holly or something.
NT advanced
All right.
server.
NT was more serious. We weren't
Yeah,
putting
All right.
Weezer videos
And
on this.
Not so
I
much
guess.
on
There
that.
should be a book in there as well.
There's tons of books.
Okay.
Oh, there's books
All right.
and there's some,
There is a
some more
fourth
media as well.
media type in the box. So we've done 3.5, 5.25, and CD-ROM.
Is it like
This
a
is the
zip drive?
fourth media
A
type.
jazz
It's
disc?
a really long paper tape.
No, we would never have done a jazz disc at that point.
I didn't think we put a jazz disc.
Why would we have done a jazz disc would require that we license hardware from whoever it was who
From
did
Jazz.
those.
I like to make jokes
Iomega, I
sometimes. Iomega.
Iomega.
Fourth
What would be
media
the
in
other media?
93.
Can someone guess what it is?
What other media were
I think we've
there?
got them
Well,
I
stuck.
mean, like, Well, let's define the term media.
Is
It'd be a blow-in
magnetic
card.
media.
Electronic media?
Electronic media.
Okay,
He
just making
said
sure.
magnetic media. Oh wait, could there have been a 4mm DAT in there?
Good try.
No?
No.
No.
No?
There
I don't know.
is
What is it?
a VHS tape. How to install it.
How do you install?
How to install? Oh my God.
Still shrink wrapped.
That is
Man.
better than
Cannot
a
guarantee whether
Chandler
there's-
video.
That
is
Like,
wait,
What is this? What is the
I-
label?
in the box.
It's the Windows NT Advanced Server Concepts and Planning. Copyright 1993, Microsoft Corporation.
See, the great thing is we got Jay Leno to do that one.
yeah.
Right.
We can get the Friends ones for that one.
You know what we've got to? We've got to the end.
The end.
Oh my gosh.
Is that it?
Oh. But did we get the scores out?
Did we get the scores out?
Well, Casey didn't get
who
her
got
10.
the? No, we didn't.
Wait,
We need to
down
get
the
Casey
scores.
her 10.
For nailing
Casey
the
got
CDs
the
on the
got the
that's-
DVD one,
Oh,
the
pressing
CD
it.
one.
So
So Casey got 5 points for the CD.
No, she got
No,
10
she got
for
10
nailing
for
it.
the
10 because she got it right
Apparently.
on.
yeah.
She got it right on. So 47 points for Casey.
47, and that's it, right?
That's it.
That's it.
That's
Well
it.
done, Casey.
Casey.
I say,
Well done, Casey.
I studied very hard. Answering one was very hard. I was tempted to put it in front of every product we have.
Yeah,
and
that one
one.
puts you right over the top.
Yeah.
though. Awesome.
Awesome.
All right.
Congratulations, guys. Thank you for being part of Defrag Tools in the past and also in the future.
Absolutely.
Hopefully you enjoyed that. And yeah.
I'm going to go watch this video. This
I
looks
totally actually want to go see
Totally.
that.
First, you have to
You've
find
got
a player.
VHS somewhere?
Yeah.
I have a VHS
I was gonna say,
player in
Chad.
the back of my closet, but I don't know if my TV will accept
I was
it.
going to
Does
say,
that- well,
Pause
if you have an
it.
AV
Cables.
receiver, they usually have enough inputs that you can do it.
Yeah, I have to somehow convert it to HDMI signal.
I'm sure you can buy a USB-based VHS player off it.
I'm sure they exist,
yeah, I was
yes.
going to say.
All right, guys.
These
Thank you
days.
very much.
All right.
Yay.
Thanks for
Awesome.
watching. That's our show. As always, if you have comments or questions, I don't know what you'd have. Well, I'm sure
Be
there are
the
a
one
lot
to
of
take them over
questions.
10,000.
We didn't. Yeah, that's right. Put them in the show notes below or email us, defragtools@microsoft.com. Thanks for watching.
See you next time, guys.
Yay.